Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to arithmetic expression. The quiz contains the basic operation plus multiplication and division. So we have to solve this quiz using PAMDAS and word mass method and find out the correct answer. In the answer list we have four answers. A is 6, B is 36, C is 66 and D is 94. So let's see after solving it which answer is correct. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn this type of quizzes from my channel. Now let's talk about what are the rules which we can apply to solve the given expression. As you can see here, we will discuss two rules, what mass and PAMDAS rule. These rules we can apply to solve any arithmetic expression. And the rule says if your expression contains any bracket or parenthesis, so you have to solve that part first in your expression. After the bracket, you have to see the power of any number. If your expression contains any number which has the power, so you have to solve that part after the bracket. Step number 3 is you have to solve division and multiplication. Both have similar precedence, so you can solve any of them which is coming first. So what will you do? You have to go left to right in your expression and find out division and multiplication. So both have similar precedence, so you can solve any of them which is coming first. Similarly, for addition and subtraction, we have same rule. We can solve addition first if it is coming first, and we can solve subtraction first if it is coming first. Now, move forward to solve the given expression. According to the BODMAS and PAMDAS rule, first of all, we have to solve the bracket. But in our expression, we do not have any bracket. And also, we do not have any order or any exponent part in our expression. So we can skip this step right now. Now we will go for division and multiplication, or you can say multiplication and division. So what we will do, we will go left to right in our expression and find out division and multiplication. So first we have this division, which is 36 divided by 2. So we will divide both of them and get the answer is 18. Multiply by 3, we will write as it is, and plus 4 multiply by 10, we will write as it is. And here we will give the reference 36 divided by 2 equals to 18. Now move forward. Again, we will go left to right in our expression and find out which is coming first. So here we have 18 divided by 3. We will write this one. 18 divided by 3 when we will, 18 multiplied by 3 when we will multiply both of them and get the answers 18 multiplied by 3 equals to 54. So this one is 54. And plus 4 multiplied by 10 we will write now as it is. And here we will give the reference 18 multiplied by 3 equals to 54. Now move forward. Step number. Now we will solve again multiplication, which is 4 multiplied by 10. So we will multiply both of them and get the answer is 54 plus 40. So here we will give the reference 4 multiplied by 10 equals to 40. Now we have here two terms which are adding each other. So we will add both of them and get the answer is 94. So the answer of the given expression is 94. If you see the answer list, so answer D is the correct answer of this expression. I hope you understand like how you can solve the given expression using PAMDAS and word mass method and find out the correct answer. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.